The first days, as you said, are over now. The whole world of beverage and liquid food industry is meeting here, and that's a great atmosphere. I would say everyone is happy to meet again in person after such a long time. On the other side, there is a lot of challenges in the world with the current situation, political situation, economical situation, and especially the topics for our environment in the future. Krones is offering a huge variety of solutions here on machines, lines, integrated solutions from processing over the bottling and packaging equipment to the logistic solutions. And also here in our visions area, we defined our ideas how the supply chain or the production of our customers will look like in the future. And that's a really good basis to talk with our customers if we are on the right track, getting also their ideas collected and then driving our R&D programs forward to be, even in the future, the best partner for our customers to make them successful.
Ba 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 da da.